Hey, how's it going, Francisco? It's Devin again. Thank you so much for speaking to me on the phone, and thank you for clicking on this video. I'm just going to briefly show you 3 things I found on your website you can fix right away so you can start bringing in more customers. I know you're probably wondering, why would I be making this video for you? It's really simple. I found out a little while ago there's a ton of business owners out there that are so busy taking care of their customers, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to do it for them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I found that when I make these attack plans and I just give them away for free, a lot of business owners end up calling me back going, "Hey Devin, I like you. Can you just do this stuff for me?" Whatever you want to do with this information is totally fine with me. My only goal is to educate as many people as I possibly can. And what I'm going to talk to you about today is content, backlinks, and citations. So first off, I wanted to say I really like the look of your website. I always love seeing these scrolling parallax these photos right here. It just makes a really cool look to it. The photos are all professional. The logo is really unique. It's a really great looking website. Now, what Google mostly cares about is this stuff right here. All this content you can read. And Google wants to see a lot of it because the more content you have, the more likely it is someone's going to stay on your site and read, which is what Google wants, is them to stay on your site. So the average website on the front page of Google right now has about 2,000 words. That's where you're going to want to start, and you currently have 393. So I definitely recommend writing another 1,600 words of content. But while you're at it, make sure you put some keywords in there. So a keyword is just a phrase that somebody types into Google to find your business, such as like HVAC Rockford IL. If I go and type that in, HVAC Rockford, so you don't have that anywhere on your page. And so when you write that extra content, make sure you throw that in there a couple times. It'll help you rank for it. So that's my, oh, and let me show you your competitor, Rockford, these guys. Let's see how much words they have. They don't have 2,000 words either. They only have a little bit more content than you. So by getting that 2,000 word mark, you're going to blow them out of the water. But this ties directly into my second tip, which is called backlinks. And these are really, really important as well. A backlink is when another website on the internet is linking to your website. And this is really important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to make sure that you have, for example, this is a backlink. If I click on this, it sends it to another website. That's a backlink. This Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of other websites that are trustworthy, that are vouching for you. But keep in mind, they want to see relevant links. So they're going to give you a lot more power if you have other HVAC companies linking to you versus if you had like Baskin Robbins linking to you, because Google knows you're not an ice cream company. And so the tool I use to check this out is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't have to use paid tools to check this stuff out. There's free tools for all of it. I just pay for this because it compiles it all together. But it gives me a lot of really valuable data. So referring domains just means websites that are linking to you. So you got your first website linking to you back in February of 2020, and now you have 24 websites linking to you. It's actually really easy to beat Rockford Heating and Air. All you have to do is beat 127. So they have 103 more than you. I wouldn't just match them. I'd blow them out of the water. I would go take all 127 they have and apply them to your own website. Because if it works to rank them, it'll work to rank you too. So you just go down this list and do exactly what they did. Some of them, they may have had to click the contact us button and send an email to the owner requesting a link. Some of them, they may have made a profile and just put a link in their profile to their homepage. And some of them, they may have had to pay a small fee, like there's a button on the page. But whatever they had to do, you're going to have to do as well. And just by following those 2 tips, that's how you become number 1 organically, which is right here. This is a great spot to be. There's 2 other places you can be number 1 on Google. You can also be number 1 in the ads by bidding higher than your competitors, and you can also be right here in the Google My Business section. And this is the best place to be because this is where the most traffic goes. It's also free to have an account, and it's also free to rank it. It just takes time and effort. So what you need to do is have more citations than your competitors. A citation is anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web. And if you're wondering what a directory is, it's just a website that allows you to list your business's information. So you may know like Yelp and Yext and Yellow Pages and City Star, stuff like that. So what I would do if I were in your shoes is I would figure out what directories Allen Heating and Cooling was in. I'd put myself in those same directories, but then add a bunch more on top. If they had 150 citations, I'd be getting 250, if not 300. And that's all I've got for you, Francisco. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I'll try to keep it short and to the point for you. I know you're really busy. As a quick recap, you want 2,000 words of content on this front page, and you want to make sure that you have keywords inside of that content. You're also going to want to make sure you have more websites linking to you than Rockford Heating, so I'd get like a total of 150. And then I put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than Allen Heating and Cooling. And by following these 3 tips, this is how you become number 1 across all of Google. So what I recommend you do now is take this information and apply it as soon as you possibly can, only because it does take time to implement all of this, and the sooner you get started, the sooner you start getting calls through your website. If you want to continue running your business and you want someone else to take care of this for you, give me a call. My phone number is right here at the bottom right, and you can give me a call at any time. And what I'll do is I'll give you a free attack plan. And if I can't help you out, I'll at least guide you in the right direction. Either way, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I look forward to hearing your feedback, Francisco, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks. Bye.